Somewhere in your codebase, right now, there is a comment like this one. Nobody knows who wrote it. Nobody knows what it does. And everyone is afraid to delete it. These are not just comments. They are warnings. Prayers. Confessions. Today we excavate the 12 most cursed comments in software history. And the last one will stay with you. Specimen 1. On ancient maps, cartographers marked the unknown edges of the world with 3 words. Here be dragons. Modern engineers do the same. Except the dragons are real, and they are in production. Specimen 2. The TODO. A promise made by a developer to a future version of themselves. A version that, studies confirm, never arrives. To do has always meant to never do. Specimen 3. If the TODO is a polite promise, the FIXME is a cry for help. Written in all caps, by someone who already knew that no one would come. Specimen 4. Nothing in this universe is more permanent than a temporary fix. This one was written in 2018. It now powers payments for 4 million users. And no one has dared to remove it. Specimen 5. Beware the quick fix. It promises 1 hour of work. It collects, with interest, 3 years of consequences. Civilizations have fallen for less. Specimen 6. A ghost that haunts every team. Visible to one engineer. Invisible to all others. Summoned by the words, "It works on my machine." The only known exorcism is a container. Specimen 7. Directly below this comment lies the code that handles the thing that should never happen. It happens. On average, within 90 days. Usually, on a Friday. Specimen 8. Here we reach the truly cursed. 3 sacred truths. The one who wrote it does not understand it. The one who reviewed it did not understand it. The one who maintains it will never understand it. And yet, it runs. To touch it is to summon the outage. Specimen 9. Beneath the living code lie the catacombs. Hundreds of lines, commented out, never deleted. Just in case, the inscription reads. In case of what, no one remembers. Version control exists. We simply do not trust it. Specimen 10. Labeled a hack. Marked temporary. It is, in fact, the single load-bearing structure holding the entire system upright. Remove it, and everything above it falls. Specimen 11. No reason. No documentation. For words, carved like a curse. Do not remove. One engineer, long ago, did not believe. 10 minutes later, all of production was gone. We do not speak his name. And finally, the most cursed comment of all. Not because it is wrong. Because it is honest. If this breaks, I'm sorry. Whoever wrote this saw the future. They knew the bug would come. They knew production would burn. They knew that one day, someone, maybe you, would be staring at this exact line at 3 in the morning. That apology was never meant for the customer. It was meant for you. Because the scariest comment isn't the one that's wrong. It's the one that makes you realize the person who wrote it, years ago, was just as lost, and just as exhausted, as you are right now. Here's the part that should keep you up at night. Every AI coding assistant you use, Copilot, Claude, Cursor, learn to code by reading billions of lines exactly like these. They didn't just inherit our syntax. They inherited our TODOs. Our TEMP fixes. Our quiet apologies. The machines learn to code from the most cursed teacher of all. Us. So tell me in the comments, which one of these is in your codebase right now? And which one did you write? This is the Shipyard. We make field guides to the strange new world that AI is building. Subscribe. Volume 2 is about the rituals.